Okay, this isn't the first start. It's just sort of the first official start since we completely dressed out the bike. The bike is ready for a road test now, which I'll do in a few minutes. But right now it's just sitting there idling. It looks good. All the new mufflers on, the seats on, the tanks on. The bike is 100% complete and ready to be ridden. So just a little, get a little closer and I'll show you the oil flow. Should be able to see that. There's the oil flow, good oil flow. Bike is idling nicely. All the electrics are in place. Headlight, high beam, low beam, left turn, right turn, horn, tail light, brake light working, both front and rear brake light switches working okay. The bike looks really nice. It's a good patina finish. We've not tried to make the bike beautiful. That's original paint, and it's just rough enough to look original. I love the sound of the new mufflers, nice and stock. All around, I'm very, very pleased with the way this bike has turned out. So, pretty good.